Stanthorpe is one of our favourite places to come and stay. We've stayed at the Apple and Grape Motel several times over the years. Had a cold shower here one day because the hot water pipes burst in the cold. Our bike got knocked over in the car park. Let's go for a quick walk through the main town. It's Sunday and all the shops are shut. O'Mara's Hotel, we've stayed here before and we're having dinner here tonight. Good food, good pub. Couple of bikers having a drink by the look of it. Main street of Stanthorpe, beautiful little town. Lions International. This avenue of 100 trees was planted by the Lions Club of Stanthorpe to commemorate the centenary of Lions International, 1917 to 2017. Beautiful day, about 22 degrees, sun is shining, light breeze, and it's gorgeous. Last time we were here this was almost dry, almost completely dry. Look at it now. Bird life, water flowing. Just saw a young fellow with a fishing pole heading upriver. Stanthorpe is famous for its granite and apples and strawberries, Ashburn Farms. And this park beside the river, well maintained, manicured lawns, gorgeous. It just follows the river all the way, both sides. Great spot to come for a walk or have a picnic. This used to be the main highway. That bridge was part of the main highway. Town's been bypassed. I know Kerry and I were here about a year ago, I think. And you could walk across there without getting your feet wet. Incredible.